Hi guys, so today we are going to test the verification layer of LayerEdge. So I'll just go through it. So basically we have this sample application which can just clone. I'll just do the same thing. I'll just do git clone uh, the application, and now it's cloning. So after the application is being cloned, we have to do make sure like we have all the dependencies installed. So I'm using Mac OS. That's why I'll just install the dependencies. And while the dependencies are being installed, what I can tell you is like how it will actually work. So basically what will happen on the back end side is we are going to send like proofs to the layer verification layer, and then those proofs are going to be aggregated, and then after the aggregation is done, that proof is going to be pushed on the Bitcoin testnet in form of a rune. Like right now in the Devnet, it first like it will be in form of runes, but later we plan to do the actual verification natively using the Bitcoin scripts. So in the current Devnet, to run it, we'll just basically first build a file, and we are going to do the build. Oh, sorry. We have to go to this verification folder. We are in the folder, and now we can actually do the build. And now the program has built. So once it's built, we can actually run the program. And as like we are just doing a demo, there are default proofs, so I think we'll be pushing those default proof. So what will actually happen on the back end, the proof will actually get aggregated, and we are at 3063 block. So in the next Bitcoin block, after the aggregation is complete, the proof will be pushed in form of an OP return. So I think, yeah. So our proof is actually been being pushed. We have something called proof block is just for the identification purposes. It will be more like an identification in future to identify the specific protocol ID. Then the timestamp is like when actually the proof is being submitted to us, and then there will be like actual proof which is actually going and being aggregated in our aggregation service. So like after that, like we'll basically get a response that the proof is actually being received, and it will be pushed in the next block, and then the proof is actually being pushed in the next block. So I think we have to wait close to 19 minutes for the next block to be generated. So it's a task for everyone like who's actually seeing this. So in the next block you can actually go and see something of OP return, like this type of OP return transaction will be there.